Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, this is the episode many of you have been waiting for to find out if you are the winner of the DJI Mavic Mini. I have one right here. This is mine in my case that I keep it in. Well, you can win this drone and you're about to find out if you've entered the contest, if you're the winner. So in order to do that, we're going to go to Computer Steve, who's at the computer about to select the winner and tell you a little bit about the answers to the questions. All right, Computer Steve, take it away. Hello everyone, this is Computer Steve, and what you see on the screen right now is the date and local time in Ottawa, Canada, that I'm reviewing the answers to pick a winner. So here we go. Let's go to the questions. Question number 1. On the DJI Mavic Mini website, there is a video. Watch the video and stop it at 48 seconds. How many people are on the outdoor basketball court? Let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. I'm going to accept 7, 6, or 8. If you put one of those answers, I will accept it. All right, let's go on to question number 2. On the Amazon.com website, there is an orange Mavic Mini hard case. How many Mavic Mini batteries can fit in the hard case? This you had to think a little bit outside the box. Pardon the pun. So let's go take a look at the picture. So here we have the case, and of course if you read the details here, it says 3 intelligent flight batteries, but that's not really true. That's not the answer I was looking for. So let's look at the case a little bit more. It's open, zoom in a bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and put 1 battery in the Mavic Mini is 7. So since again I'm a nice guy, if you put 7 batteries, you're thinking correctly. So if you put 3 all the way up to 7, I will accept that as an answer. Let's go to question number 3. Question number 3. On the Canadian Amazon.ca website, there are propeller holders for the Mavic Mini. What material are these propeller holders made out of? Well, everybody got this one right. I didn't see any errors with that. So let's take a look. There's the site, and there's our propeller holders right here, which are pretty cool, and you can see they are made out of a softer material, and it says right here they're made out of environmental silicone. So if you put environmental silicone or silicone, either answer is correct. Now, as I stated in the video, I would change the questions halfway through the week, and I did. So here are the second 3 set of questions. If you answered the first 3 set of questions, you are in the contest. If you answer the second 3 set of questions, you're also in the contest. So let's see. Question number 1. On the DJI Mavic Mini website, there is a video. Watch the video and stop it at 1:45 seconds. How many people total, so I need a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many animals total, so I need a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, are in the tent on the top of the pickup truck? This one is kind of funny because I had some really strange answers on this one. Now, I will admit it's pretty hard to see how many people and animals are in there, but let's take a look. Here is the image. So look at inside here. There's a human right here, and you can see some arms, and there's another human here. So total number of people, 2 people. Now let's take a look at the animals. You have a dog here, and over here looks to be like what is a cat. This is probably not the best image, but when you play the video, you can actually see the cat a little bit better. So the correct answer would be 2 people, 2 humans, and 2 animals. Now, once again, since I'm a good guy, and a lot of you probably watch this on your phone or tablet and not a big screen computer, if you put down 1 person, 1 animal, I will accept it. If you put 2 people, 2 animals, I will accept it. If you put 14 people, 27 animals, I'm probably not going to accept that. Let's go to the next question. Question number 2. On the Amazon.com website, there are shark sticker skins for the Mavic Mini. What are the shark colors shown on the website? A lot of people missed this one because all I wanted to know is what were the shark colors? People were giving me all the colors. Let's go to the answer number 5, and there we go. We have blue. It says right here, blue shark. Let's go to the next one. Red shark. So there's only 2 answers, blue and red. If you put red grain, that's not a shark. Notice the other ones say red shark, blue shark. So in this one I have to be kind of strict because it was kind of a giveaway. So the answer, if you put blue and red, you win. But if you put blue, red, and red grain, that would be incorrect. So I won't accept that. You have to have blue and red. Let's go to the third question. On the Canadian Amazon.ca website, there is a landing gear product for the Mavic Mini that looks like a set of snow skis. What additional height in centimeters will this product give the Mavic Mini? The answer is right on the website, so let's go check that out really quick. So there's your set of snow skis, and you can see these are the landing legs. So how much farther is it lifted off the ground by using these little skis? And the answer is right here. It says it will increase by 2.2 centimeter height. So once again, that is a solid answer, 2.2 centimeters. So that is the only answer I will accept. And now let's go pick our winner. So I'm going to take the URL from my video right here, copy. I'll go over to the random comment picker, come down here, click in here, paste, and there we go. Go to YouTube comments. It should pull out several thousand because there was a lot of comments in this contest. What are we up to? 1,000? Ooh, that's quite a bit. So here we go. 4,221 comments, and only one person is going to win the Mavic Mini. Let's go down here, and where are you? No, I have to go up here. Start. There we are. So here it comes. Here it comes, guys. Here's the name flying up. Let's see if Virgo the Groot has the correct answers. He says he sees 7 people. I said I would accept that. Number 2, you can put 3 batteries, but you can also put, ooh, this guy's getting smarter, so he's got 4. So 4 batteries, that's good. It's better than 3. You know, I was looking for 7, but I would accept less, and it's made of silicone, spelt incorrectly, but that's perfectly fine because my spelling and autocorrect is usually out to lunch. Now, just in case Vigo, did I pronounce his name Virgo at first? Just in case Vigo lives in a country where you can only get mail by mountain goats and I can't send a DJI Mavic Mini to him because DJI does not send to him, I will pick a backup winner. So here we go. The backup winner is, this is if Mr. Vigo can't accept the prize or doesn't get back to me in time. Who is the backup winner? It's going. Who is the backup winner gonna be? And Tim Korinoski. I can't pronounce anybody's name here. Korinoski. I don't know. Tim, give me a call. Tell me your name. All right. So he's got 7 people. That's correct. 3 batteries held in case and environmental silicone, which is correct. So we have our winner. We have our backup winner. All right. Back to Steve sitting on the chair.
Welcome back. Well, the winner is Vigo de Groot. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, so I'm just going to say, I am Groot. You know, from the movie Guardians of the Galaxy. Anyways, so now, Vigo, what you have to do is the following. Just send me an email at this address, contest798@gmail.com. Did you miss that? Well, I will write it below right here. There you can see what the email address is. And also, Tim Kornoski, also send me an email at that address. All right, thank you everyone who entered the contest, all you subscribers. Guess what? This is not the final contest. There will be more drone giveaways in the future. And many of you keep asking me to give away these, you know, Captain Drone stickers. Well, I'm going to come up with some sort of system soon in the month of March to give these away to maybe 50 or 100 of you, and there'll be a bit of a contest, and you might be able to win something, so stay tuned for that. And again, I say thanks again to all the subscribers to this channel. Thank you for posting comments below videos, for giving me suggestions for future videos, everything. It's very helpful. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Congratulations to Vigo de Groot, and hope to see all of you in the future with very more RC cars, RC drones, RC boats, maybe some RC planes and a helicopter. Who knows? On this channel, you can see everything, but mostly drones. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. Take care.